y'all doing today? We're back again with another review with toast. Here they have a bar on the inside. It looks like a nice little setting. We have bars, booths, tables. I like the green walls. And here is your menu where you can get all of your breakfast items, your brunch items, drinks, mimosas. And I'm gonna go ahead and let mama.
This is called Able Stevers pancake balls with maple syrup, caramel, strawberry, and lemon. Yes, fried fish and grits with an over easy egg. That's what that is. Over easy egg, and I have chicken and waffle.
I'm so glad she remembered the name of the place this time, but all the food looks really good. Like the chicken and waffles, the pancake balls, and I'm not even a breakfast lover, but I would definitely give it a go. It's a 10 out of 10 for sure. Obviously, because they enjoyed their food, everything's gone. And here we go again with the lovebirds. Make sure y'all hit like, share, and subscribe.